Viewers and subscribers, 2016 Nissan Juke having some transmission problem, so I'm gonna take a look into it, dive into it and see what's going on. It's my neighbor's car, so I'm gonna do a little diagnostic on it. Transmission slipping and skipping and juddering and jumping. So seems like a pretty nice car, beautiful car, outside and inside. Inside pretty much good. Car have low miles on it and transmission skipping. So with new cars like this, you shouldn't have a problem like that, because back in the day we used to drive car forever without having transmission problem. But I'm gonna do a complete scan on this to see what the problem is. So stay tuned, keep watching. All right. Yeah, transmission slipping, and so I decided I'm gonna do a scan on it, and I'm gonna do a complete scan to see what the issue is. So yeah, that's the engine, real nice engine. And before it was skipping, transmission was running rough, idle kicks up, and when it's on the highway, then sometimes it sounds like it want to die. So we drain the fluid, and when we drain the fluid, it has like, I know it's supposed to be 8 quarts in this thing, and it only have 3.4 or 3.5 quarts of fluid leave. But on another inspection note, search and see there's an axle on the right side, the passenger side, that has a leak. But then we did the flush anyway, because she still wanted to do that flush. So we changed the fluid and everything, put it back a little bit over 4, like 5 quarts back in there, because it's supposed to be 8 quarts in this car, and ride very well on the weekend and for almost a week. And then the judder comes back, and then we're gonna do a scan on it now to see, because it was doing it before. So we're gonna scan it to see what the problem is. Pretty much sure these cars have transmission problem. Pretty much nice color, nice wheels and stuff. The car had some issues with it. Issue on it, and it's my neighbor's car, so I'm gonna help out my neighbor by doing a complete scan on this car and see what the problem with this car is. Alright, so stay tuned, watch what we do. Yeah, so we're doing a full system scan now to see what the problem is. Right. At 72%. Scanning. Let's see what the problem is. 84%. Alright, so let's wait and see. It's a transmission problem here. Shifting and grinding and shifting and jumping when it things get hot. Almost there. 100%. Alright. Now we're gonna see, we do a full system scan. So it's gonna go in the transmission, and that's a TCM transmission control module. Let me see, it's gonna communicate with that now. Communicating. And then we're gonna read the fault codes right here. See, that's the code right there. P17F0-00, and it said CVT judder TM, which is transmission inspection, CRNT. So there's some problem with this transmission. We're gonna have to figure it out to see what it is. But I think this thing gonna probably need a transmission. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what happens. Nissan Juke, they know if you have problem with transmission. And this is a 2016 Nissan Juke. So I think, well, after doing some digging around on this car, I found out that when you have this code, is the belts that goes around the pulleys inside that transmission worn out and get bad. So I think you have to replace this transmission. So that's not my job. Got to send it to the dealer somewhere. Alright, guys, thank you very much for watching. More videos will be coming soon, so please remember to like, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you very much. Keyless One out.